G'day everyone, Turbo Tristan here. Welcome back to the channel. I know you guys love D16 content, so here behind me I'm editing a couple of videos. Some of the guys from the Honda D16 enthusiast page of Australia sent me a couple of videos of their cars on the dyno, which I think you guys will love because I know how much you love D16 content. So hope you enjoy this. We are getting back into the D series stuff soon. I do have an engine which one of my subscribers has reached out and said that I can grab off them. Just waiting for them to pull it out of the car. It's a great fresh running engine and transmission. So we're going to grab that, do some experiments, teach you guys how to do quite a lot of stuff on your own D16, and I'll show you some of the tips and tricks I learned whilst I was building one. Stick around. Hope you enjoy these videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More D-Series content coming soon.